Is it time to buy or sell TQQQ ETF? In this video, we will explore TQQQ in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 16th of August, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 15th of August in 2024, our system has classified TQQQ as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of negative 0.99. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has shown natural fluctuations with a gain of 0.26%. This results in an average return of 0.13% per day since it was designated as hold or accumulate. The exchange-traded fund is currently positioned within a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating a likelihood of further descent within this trend. The present 3-month trend points to a potential decrease of approximately 4% over the next 3 months, with expected returns ranging from a decline of 26% to an increase of 16%. In terms of the 12-month trend, it anticipates a change of 77% over the coming year, with possible returns between 40% and 130%. This suggests a price range between $96.50 to $158.01 after a year. Our latest daily update for TQQQ includes the headline, Green Day on Friday for TQQQ. The TQQQ ETF price gained approximately 0.25% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 16th of August, 2024. It rose from $68.46 to $68.64. This marks the 7th consecutive day of gains, a notable achievement as it is uncommon for ETFs to achieve such a streak. Some fluctuations, including potential declines for a day or two, should be anticipated. On the last trading day, the ETF fluctuated by 3.07%, with a day low of $67.19 and a day high of $69.26. The price has risen in 8 of the last 10 days and has increased by 16.85% over the past 2 weeks. Trading volume decreased by 8 million shares on the last day, with a total of 44 million shares exchanged, amounting to approximately $3.05 billion. It is important to note that declining volume alongside rising prices may indicate divergence, serving as a potential early warning of upcoming changes in the next few days. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $85.20, while the lowest price was $30.47. Currently, the price stands at 19.44%, or $16.56, below the 52-week high, and 64.04%, or $122.24, below the all-time high reached on the 8th of January, 2021, when the price peaked at $190.88. TQQQ, the ProShares Ultra Pro QQQ ETF, remains at the forefront due to its significant volatility, influenced by recent trends in the technology sector. Following a challenging month of July for tech stocks, recent reports indicate that investors who were betting on a rebound have faced substantial losses amid ongoing market sell-offs. This sentiment is crucial, as it can drive fluctuations in TQQ's stock price, given its leveraged nature, which amplifies market movements. Despite the current challenges, TQQ continues to draw interest because of its long-term potential. Historical data suggests that leveraged ETFs can outperform the S&P 500 over extended periods, particularly during bullish trends. However, investor psychology is a critical factor, as many remain hesitant to embrace the inherent risks tied to leveraged investments. Observations regarding the decay of leveraged ETFs underscore the importance of timing and strategy when holding these securities. Moreover, TQQQ has previously demonstrated impressive returns, with notable interest stemming from its recent surge of 50% over the course of 2 months, appealing to risk-tolerant investors seeking capital appreciation. The momentum it generates could potentially stabilize market sentiment in the near term. However, as market conditions continue to fluctuate, the long-term viability of TQQQ will rely on broader economic factors and investor confidence in the technology sector's recovery. The ongoing narrative of volatility versus opportunity will likely influence its price trajectory in both the short and long term. The following signals have been identified for TQQQ. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Wednesday, the 7th of August, 2024, and so far it has risen nearly 30%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume decreased during the last trading day, despite rising prices. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. The ETF warrants close observation. Some negative signals have also been issued, which may impact the near-term developments. The TQQQ ETF holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. However, the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, this presents a more negative outlook for the stock. With further gains, the ETF will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $69.70. Conversely, if it declines, the ETF will find support from the short-term average at $62.93. A breakthrough above the long-term average will generate another buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average will produce an additional sell signal and reinforce the overall negative trend. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal from 8 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 31 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 7 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 23 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 19 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, buy signal from 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 3 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 4 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Let's discuss support, risk, and stop loss for TQQQ. On the downside, the exchange-traded fund encounters support just below the current price, stemming from accumulated volume at $63.36, as well as $58.74. There is an inherent risk when an ETF tests a support level. If this level is breached, the ETF may decline to the subsequent support level. In this case, TQQQ finds support just below today's level at $63.36. Should this level be broken, the next support based on accumulated volume will be at $58.74 and $53.62. This ETF can experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating a high level of volatility, and with the broad prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is deemed high risk. Over the last day, the ETF fluctuated by $2.07 between its high and low, equating to a change of 3.07%. In the past week, the ETF has shown an average daily volatility of 4.02%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for TQQQ. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for TQQQ is at $73.04. If you do not already own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who are already holding the stock, this could be a key level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, TQQQ faces its first support level at $63.36. Should this support level hold, it may serve as a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $66.29, representing a decline of 3.42%. This exchange-traded fund experiences significant daily fluctuations, which introduces a higher level of risk. A buy signal has been identified from a pivot bottom that was established 27 days ago. Is the TQQQ ETF a good buy? The TQQQ shows several positive indicators. However, we do not find these sufficient to classify it as a buy candidate at this moment. Instead, it should be viewed as a hold candidate, suggesting that investors may want to maintain their current positions or accumulate more while watching for further developments. After reviewing the volatility and price movements from the previous trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price appears to be overvalued. Looking ahead to trading on Monday, the 19th of August, we anticipate that TQQQ will open lower, declining by approximately 0.278 leading to a starting trading price of $68.36. We would like to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before engaging in the buying or selling of any securities. Your investment decisions should not be solely based on the information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.